Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you what is the best Path of Exile 2 settings, guide for max FPS and quality. So first, set your display mode to full screen and your resolution is to the resolution of your display. For upscaling, off or NVIDIA DLSS. Renderer, set it on DirectX 12 and then turn on your VSync. For foreground FPS cap, disabled, same with the background. Now for detail settings, anti-aliasing quality to high, lighting, shadows and global illumination. For shadow plus GL quality, set it on high. Same with sun shadow and number of lights. On bloom, turn it on, same with the depth of field and intrusion effect. For water detail level, click on high or set it on high, same with texture quality and texture filtering. For advanced settings, for dynamic culling, disable it, same with the dynamic resolution, and then target frame rate is 60 FPS. Lastly, for engine multi-threading, enable it. And with that, you will get your max FPS with best quality. And that's basically it.